So given these ratios AD to BD, we can say that these lengths are 2x and x, and similarly with that ratio, it would be the same multiplier 2y and 3y. And what we'll do is to create an altitude here, call this angle theta, and then write the area, which we know for triangle ADE, in terms of theta and these sides here. So half base, which is 2y here, that's the base I'm calling, and let's say the height is h. So the height is equal to, or you can say height over the hypotenuse of sine theta. So height is 2x sine theta. So if I replace that here, this is our relationship, 2x sine theta. Now we'll do the same thing for this triangle here. I don't know exactly where that altitude would be. Let's call that capital H. And then our base now is 5y. So half 5y, and let's say the height is h. This is what we need. And again, we'll use the same setup. Sine theta would be capital H, the height of this larger triangle, over 3x. So that becomes 3x sine theta. And if I replace that here, 3x sine theta, this is what we need. So I'll combine the unknowns here. 5, 3xy sine theta. And I can figure out xy sine theta here. This drops out. And if I divide by 2, I get 4 is xy sine theta, which is this piece. So the area of the larger triangle would be that times 4. And that becomes 30. And that's the answer. Now, I do want to point out, I don't think I took this direction when I first saw. I was thinking maybe some kind of a similarity, which is often the case here, but these ratios were different. So if I were doing this in the exam, I'll probably be skipping this question unless I see this immediately, which I didn't. So just, keep that in mind with all of these questions on the CAT. You just have to see if you kind of know how to proceed immediately, then always go with that. If not, you can set it aside, maybe come back. So, but yeah, it is a hard question. The answer is 30.